Hello! So today I spent a bit of time working on the strategy and planning for expanding the DAV Alliance in the next coming weeks. I also had a great discussion with some contract legal counsel on a few administrative matters for the foundation. And I also had a great opportunity, a terrific talk with someone who may come on board as an advisor, someone who's really stellar, that we can also add to our already stellar advisory board. So hopefully we'll have some great news in the coming weeks. I also reached out to some media. Hopefully we can get some more coverage for some of the things that are developing at the DAV Foundation. And that's it for me for today. For the rest of the week, it's going to be more of the same, working on the Alliance, working on coverage, developing PR, and my hair looks like I just stuck my finger in an electrical socket. See you guys tomorrow.
Hey there! So yesterday morning I came back from Moscow, and after defrosting at home for a couple of hours I came back to the office where I've been working on our ROSBot project. Today I've been focusing on three main things: recruiting for the R&D department, working with Lior and Mike on the autonomous boat project, and going over the footage we got from Moscow together with Daniel. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I was really focused on managing our pre-sale applications, which includes pre-qualifying interested contributors, answering all kinds of questions, preparing SAFT agreements, and so forth. Today is more of the same. I'm still focused on the pre-sale because we've got a lot of inquiries coming in. So pre-sale it is. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so yesterday I worked mostly on our ride-hailing communication protocol, made some adjustment to it this morning and created the pull request. And then I continued to work on our autonomous boat POC that we're making with California Maritime Academy. So I created the wireframes for our new missions app that now is going to include also autonomous boat services. And I handed over to our designer to start creating the sketches for it. And I think this is it for today. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. So Friday of last week, my main focus was for the website. Did a bunch of revisions for that to get it over and made a final push so we can go ahead and move it into development, which we did. So that was pushed and moved into development, so a lot of good things happening there. Also did some work on the paid advertising, working with different ad campaigns, working on actually getting those banner ads completed, and also did a little advisor work as well. Today my main focus has been continuing to push that website along, make some additions to the team pages, make some changes to the team pages, and then also to our email campaign. We're ramping up our email campaign efforts, doing some more customized emails when people sign up for email, and then also some drip campaigns moving forward. But overall, a lot of great things happening. Thanks everybody.
Last week I started new homepage for our amazing project. I made an entire new DAV brand guide. The homepage was did pretty well, and today I'll continue work for detail. I'll make a few illustrations in new style and fixes and other things. Also today I'll plan make logo for our meetup. And after then I'll continue work for our beautiful banners. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.